Unveiling the mystery, the art of stealing a glance. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very intriguing phrase, stealing a glance. This expression is rich in imagery and emotion, and understanding it can add a wonderful layer of nuance to your English communication skills. So, let's get started and unlock the secrets behind this phrase. Stealing a glance is a phrase that paints a vivid picture with just a few words. But what does it actually mean? To steal something typically involves taking it without permission, often quietly or with a sense of secrecy. A glance, on the other hand, is a quick look. When we combine these concepts, stealing a glance refers to the act of quickly looking at someone or something, usually in a secretive or discreet manner, as if taking this look without being noticed or without the explicit permission of being looked at. This phrase is commonly used in contexts where there is an element of shyness, secrecy, or desire to remain unnoticed. It can be in a social setting, during a moment of admiration, or even in situations where direct eye contact might be considered inappropriate or too forward. For example, you might steal a glance at someone you admire from across the room, hoping they don't catch you looking. Or, you might steal a glance at your watch during a boring meeting, wishing not to appear rude or disinterested. It's a phrase that conveys a lot of emotion and subtlety, making it perfect for storytelling, descriptive writing, and everyday conversation when you want to add a touch of drama or intrigue. To help you better understand how to use stealing a glance in real-life situations, here are a few examples. During the dinner, she kept stealing glances at her crush, hoping he would notice her. He stole a glance at the clock, wondering how much longer the lecture would last. The cat stole a glance at the fishbowl, its curiosity piqued but cautious not to alert its owner. These sentences showcase how stealing a glance can be used in various contexts, from romantic interest to simple curiosity or impatience. Stealing a glance is a beautiful, expressive phrase that adds depth and emotion to your English. It's all about a quick, secretive look that carries a weight of feelings, contexts, and stories behind it. We hope this video has shed light on how to use and understand this phrase in your daily English conversations and writings. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about the stories and emotions those words convey. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to steal a glance at our other videos for more insights into the English language. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.